Prince Harry's US visa application has been handed over to a judge. The US Department of Homeland Security, DHS, has complied with a recent court directive to submit Prince Harry's US visa application for confidential examination by a federal judge, as revealed in a recent Newsweek report. This development arises from an ongoing legal dispute initiated by the Heritage Foundation, a conservative think tank which aims to ascertain the accuracy of the Duke of Sussex's statements regarding his drug use on his immigration paperwork. A court filing seen by Newsweek read, "Defendant, the US Department of Homeland Security, respectfully informs the court that it's complied with the court's March 7, 2024 order by submitting declarations with attachments for ex parte in camera and private review." Last year, the Heritage Foundation filed a Freedom of Information Act request seeking access to Prince Harry's immigration documents, contending that the public has a vested interest in uncovering whether the former royal received preferential treatment or provided false information on his application. The Foundation's argument centres on Prince Harry's candid revelations in his memoir Spare, where he openly discussed his encounters with cocaine, cannabis and psychedelic mushrooms. Initially, the DHS contended that an individual's visa or immigration status constitutes private, confidential information exempt from disclosure. The department maintained, revealing the records would expose the types of documentation Prince Harry used for US travel, his admission status and any immigration benefits that he may have pursued. However, Judge Carl Nichols, presiding over the case, deemed the DHS's rationale insufficiently detailed and instructed the department to submit the records for private review by March 21, 2024. The judge specifically requested that the DHS furnish declarations outlining the withheld records and the potential harm from their public disclosure. The DHS initially sought a 2-week extension to comply, citing the extensive process of locating and examining the records. Additionally, the department suggested that other government entities might need to scrutinise the documents before their submission to the judge. Niall Gardner, leading the Heritage Foundation's efforts, underscored the significance of ensuring equal treatment in the immigration system. Once again, Harry's openly admitted to significant illegal drug use. Gardner recently wrote, "What implications does this carry? It suggests that Harry may have received preferential treatment. Either DHS overlooked his truthfulness or his dishonesty on the visa application. Both scenarios are unacceptable." During a hearing in February, government attorneys argued that Prince Harry's memoir doesn't inherently verify the accuracy of his statements. John Bardo, representing the DHS, informed the court, merely stating something in a book doesn't authenticate it. He implied that individuals sometimes embellish details in books to enhance sales. The Heritage Foundation's legal team also presented a transcript from a February 16, 2024 Good Morning America interview, where Prince Harry discussed the prospect of pursuing US citizenship. The Foundation asserts that this interview further strengthens their case for accessing his immigration records. As the legal dispute unfolds, the judge's confidential review of Prince Harry's US visa application will be pivotal in determining the potential public release of the documents. The outcome of this case could significantly impact the Duke of Sussex's immigration status and offer insights into how the DHS handled his application, given his acknowledged drug use. However, many still don't believe Harry ever submitted an application. They believe the delay stemmed from acquiring all the necessary documents to finalise the application. He never completed one, that's why it couldn't be located. Now he's completed one. Hope the judge inquires about the submission date of the application.